Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. She is Shreya, if you
She
know
is
her.
Mrunmay.
So if you know her, like I call her Miss World
Yes, you do.
or Miss India. What do I call her? Miss India.
Miss World,
Miss
Miss
World.
World.
I call her Miss World because she is into
Modeling, acting, studying, whatever.
and she has a YouTube channel, so you can just go and subscribe to her
I just
channel
started my YouTube channel. Thanks, Mrunmay, for taking me in.
in this challenge.
Yeah.
So finally, we are doing this challenge. It's super spicy noodles. Okay, so we don't know where the wrapper is, but we have this. So what we are going to do is now we are going to mix this flex.
And this
What is this? This is
soup base. But apparently we don't have a soup.
yeah,
We
so
don't
we're
want
going
a
to
soup.
mix this and let's see how does it taste.
So you're going to start off with that or
Yeah, we'll add both. So you add that, I'll add this.
let's begin. Oh my god, it's so fun. ये क्या है?
ये है
बहुत
फ्लेक्स
अजीब
है.
दिख रहा है.
ये कोरियन फ्लेक्स है. मम्मा.
So I am adding the actual spice वाला thing. I don't know what it is, but मजा आ रहा है.
Oh god, this is going to be super spicy.
Let's make it super spicy by the way.
Have you eaten something which is very spicy before?
This is my first time.
This is your first time.
Yeah,
Not this, something
huh.
else apart from this.
I did that something. I ate. What was it? I literally forgot about it. Death wings. Social में. So it was a sort of spicy
Okay,
challenge.
हाँ.
Let's just first. Ew.
Mix क्या हो गया है? Soggy.
सॉगी मैगी हो गई. बचपन में मैगी आती थी ना डिब्बों में स्कूल
I
में.
swear, और ये ठंडा भी हो गया. If I'm not
लिटरली
wrong.
वही वाइब आ रही है.
Mix करो इसको.
एंड व्हाट इफ ये डिसअपॉइंटमेंट निकला लाइक यू नो
हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट ठंडा खा रहे हैं. नहीं. हाँ.
दैट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट की अरे भाई इससे ज्यादा
Spicy.
इससे ज्यादा स्पाइसी तो घर का चिकन होता है.
I know.
लेट्स चेक इट आउट.
या dead wings होता है.
हाँ डेथ विंग्स में मुझे इतना स्पाइसी नहीं लगा था. इट वाज लाइक ठीक है. मम्मी ज्यादा मिर्ची डालती है.
We can make it more spicy, you know, adding some more things. But we
अच्छा.
don't want to do that.
हाँ if we are not happy with this
Yeah.
maybe we can add
Add
अंदर
some-
का Szechuan sauce or
Huh, we can add something.
we can always do something with it.
Try
Okay,
this.
let's
One, two. Wait. I'm bit of afraid still.
चलो.
1, 2, 3. Fuck, man.
I take my words back.
Oof.
This
It is spicy. My tongue is burning. Good, I don't have. Yes.
I take my words back where I said कि वो this could be a disappointment. It isn't. I'm dead. And this is for real. सच्ची में death wings come in.
Okay, you'll have the one more bite.
But it's tasty, huh? It's tasty.
It is. I'll have little bit. I don't know how people do this challenge on YouTube, yaar. Come on. This is also
Actually-
YouTube.
Actually, you know what? Let's make this challenge more fun.
Yeah, we are getting more people in it.
No.
We'll get them.
That's different case. Let's just, eat this without actually hitting onto water. If you are able to or willing to do it, it will be more fun.
Oh god, this is falling off.
Should we do that? Without, like, okay, we'll have our ice cream and other stuff बाद में, but this will be one go.
No,
I can
I
do that.
am not ready for
I
it.
can do that.
I am not.
अभी मैं मेरे जीभ को आदत हो गई अभी. Right now.
एक बार
हाँ, first time it happened, second time, and now I'm used to it. You can have one more.
I don't know how she is having this. I really don't know. Oh God.
It's tasty. Apart from spicy, it is tasty.
It is tasty, but it's spicy. Like there's a hint of spice in there, which is burning your tongue.
Oh God, the first bite was horrible. मर गई थी मैं. Let's call in our helpers.
Help us. Yash! Tell them to try. Their first reaction.
Yash! We are having people in here. Yash, Nonu, Devit. We are officially calling you in.
Hi.
He is Shreya's brother.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much.
for inviting me.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Now try.
अच्छा रहेगा.
Try.
मैं बड़ा बाइट ले रहा
जय माता दी.
हूँ. बड़ा बाइट लूँगा मैं.
Look at the size of the bite. Bite देख लो. Because he's gonna cry. तू चल खा.
ऐसे नहीं पे रुक. ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं खा ना.
ऐसे नहीं करते
Oh
रुको.
God, eat.
This was nothing. लेना है तो पूरा खा.
चल रहे. हाँ पूरा ऐसी. मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. 2
We
minutes
know
later
that.
रोना शुरू करूँगा मैं. बिल्कुल नहीं खानी.
बिल्कुल नहीं है. आजा.
आजा.
क्या बोला अभी तीखा लग जाए.
नहीं.
Our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to Nonmai's channel. Give
मेरा
like.
भी.
And her channel as well.
No.
श्रेया परिहार. वो लिंक कर
Subscribe
देगी.
to Nonmai's channel. Give like, share, comment and Instagram.
दिवित आजा.
अब लग रहा है.
दिवित आजा. एक छोटी सी बाइट ले ले. भगवान का प्रसाद समझ के ज्यादा नहीं लेना.
Spicy. बहुत spicy.
कहाँ spicy है?
Hot.
It's too hot. We are sweating. बहुत पसीने आ रहे हैं. And we have
We are finishing this.
this much
Just
left.
finishing this.
This will be one go. चलो, we can do this. हाँ, this is very less. वो लोग इतना खा के गए. We can do this.
Okay. I'm making a partition.
चलो बनाओ partition.
Let's go.
Now it's nice, but honestly, now the taste is amazing.
This made me, felt like I'm eating some. वो जो आता है ना, yippee noodles.
Exactly, but the spicier version.
Yeah, the spicy version of yippee noodles.
But where did you get the idea of this spicy noodles ka challenge?
Many people are doing on YouTube.
Acha.
I thought of doing this. So I bought this packet, not from Amazon or something. I went to Palladium and I brought this one thing, which is almost 150 rupees ka packet.
Good one to burn your ass.
Let's see what happens next day.
But hats off to us. हमने पानी नहीं पिया.
ना हम लोगों ने पानी नहीं पिया, वो लोग पी के गए.
We didn't drink water.
We didn't
have
ice
anything.
cream.
हाँ, we
Sweet
bought
something.
ice cream, but we did not have it as of now. So जो ये challenge हमने किया है,
It's
it
a
is
full-
basically
Full-fledged spicy noodles challenge without adding
हाँ.
anything in it.
yeah, which I said in the start ना कि let's do it in that way. वो हो गया ultimately. ये बात और है, we had helpers.
तो ये खत्म नहीं होता.
Exactly.
बस. I'm done.
I'm cleaning it off.
No, I can't.
It's tasty. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा छोड़ने का. Can we have ice creams?
Yes.
Yash!
Yash!
Ice cream!
One eternity later.
What did you bought? Rajbo, this is nice. मुझे vanilla ice cream चाहिए था. This is nice. How at least लाया. Appreciate that. What is vanilla? एक बार डालो उसमें. नहीं.
आइसक्रीम का भी ईटिंग वीडियो है. My cat loves ice cream. पता ही नहीं चला कुछ खाया. Because we ate that, उसके बाद we ate this. Null and void. Any reviews, Murmai?
I burped. That was the review.
Honest review.
Honest review, I burped. Oh God. So
Drum
Shreya,
rolls.
how was the challenge?
It was fun. मजा आ गया. Seriously. How was it?
It was good.
See,
It was
at first we were dead.
Yeah, the first two bites
हाँ.
हम लोग को बहुत
Then
spicy
we were used
लगा.
to it. Then we had helpers to actually clear off थोड़ा सा. Then we ate ice cream.
हो गया.
हो गया.
पेट भर गया. I'm still burping.
पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कि हमने खाया है.
Yeah.
Lips are burning.
Lips are burning and-
Okay, हाँ. So we were talking about bloopers. Okay, we are going to have a lot of bloopers, and we'll make a video about that as well.
Yes. So guys, if you're still here watching the whole video, don't forget to hit that subscribe
I
button.
also want to say something.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're here watching the video till end, I love you all. Thank you for watching. She loves you too.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and do subscribe to her channel. Like, comment, share. हाँ. Do subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.
Yes, and the links are there in the bio.
Yeah, and do let us know if you really liked our collaboration thing, and we would love to do it again. And it will be fun.
And let us know what
what else do
challenge
you want,
us to do.
And
Since it's a lockdown, we stay in the same
we,
apartment.
yeah, so we have a lot of time together.
Yeah.
We
We can utilize this lockdown.
Yeah, we can utilize this lockdown, and we can come up with fun challenges and different challenges. And
We can do a Q&A. Like if you guys want to know like how she came into a modeling world, we can even do a Q&A with her.
we can do that, and I can do a Q&A with you as well. How you
Yeah.
came in.
to YouTube. Actually, she was the one who was like pushing me कितने सालों से YouTube पे आ. And she was like pushing me आजा. And finally I pushed her to for many things. Yeah, many things. Oh my God. Like I want her to be something. Like you should do it. You should. You should. Thank you.
So guys, see ya. Bye
See you,
bye.
bye. Thank you for watching us eat.
Bye.
Bye.